Dear participants, good evening to all. Happy Independence Day. Dear students, please send your friends groups. Please log in the session today. Time is 4:20. Only 100 students are joined. Please inform to your friends. Please join the session without late. Thank you. Once again, happy Independence Day to all. Prudvi Garu, please stop your video. Prudvi Garu, please stop your video. Sandeep Chaudhary sir, please stop your video. Dear participants, please stop your videos. Dear students, please inform to your friends. Please log in. That now the time is 4:23. Today very important topic is going on. Please inform to your friends. Today there is no holiday. Once again.
Good evening, everybody.
Jyotisri madam, Jyotisri Vidya madam, please stop your video. Good evening, sir. Welcome, sir. Nagaraj, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Independence Day, sir.
Happy Independence Day to everyone.
Dear participants, please, all the participants, please stop your videos. Sohan, please stop your video. Panmani madam, please stop your video. Jeevan Chaudhary sir, already told you so many times. So many times I told to you, Jeevan Chaudhary, why you are on every time? Today I will, don't disturb the class. Jeevan Chaudhary. All the participants, please cooperating with our organizing team. Until the session, please stop your videos. Sir, Lokesh sir, Lokesh, 5A3, stop your video. Lokesh, 558, Sheikh. Nagaraj sir, please wait to couple of minutes, sir.
Yeah. I will wait, sir. No. I will wait. No problem.
4:35, we can start the session, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. No problem.
Thank you. Parthasartha Reddy, please stop your video. Parthasartha Reddy, please stop your video. Parthasartha Reddy. Dear students and participants, please stop your videos. Dr. Naval K. Sharma sir, happy Independence Day, sir.
Professor N.K. Sharma, sir, has logged in from, I think, West Africa, I guess.
Yes, sir.
I welcome all the participants. I will wait for a couple of minutes and then we will start the session today. The time is 4:33. So to summarize yesterday's session, I think we learned about the concept of strings and also the program which we got stuck yesterday, that is reading the character by character and forming a string, has been sent to all of you, and I hope it has given a good clarity. So we will start today's session now. Ramakrishna sir,
Sir,
I'm
you
going,
can
I'm going to
start.
start the session now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Now,
once again, I welcome all the participants, and today is a very auspicious occasion for us that we are going to, our nation is celebrating its 74th Independence Day. So as I already texted in the chat box and the WhatsApp group, freedom is not coming for free. It's a sacrifice done by our forefathers. Lot of people have sacrificed their time, their life, and we are all enjoying the fruit of not having dependence on somebody, right? I don't know how to express my gratitude to all the forefathers of us, our nation, great nation, who has sacrificed their lives, their time, their knowledge, and we are really fortunate to enjoy the freedom given by our forefathers. So at this juncture, our C programming workshop is also the main objective is coming out of the fear. Basically, we are also in line with our Independence Day, that is coming out of the fear of programming language to become independent from the fear, right? So let us start our session, and as usual, I welcome all the participants to this session 11 on day 11 of our 16 days C programming workshop conducted by SWARNANDHRA College of Engineering and Technology Autonomous. And I am always pleased to represent my department of Computer Science and Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Nagaland. So thank you all for joining this session, and let us quickly start our session. Today, I will try to cover more programming part. So instead of starting the theory, like yesterday I have done, like explaining the concept of strings, but today I will directly move to the more programming aspects of handling strings in C language. For that, let us quickly start traversing through the directory where we always keep our programs. So the first concept today we are going to learn is find string length. Find string length from an existing library function. What I mean to say, to find the length of the string with the string library function strlen. Strlen is a predefined method available inside string.h. Available inside string.h. So string.h is a header file which consists of numerous functions exclusively designed to handle the strings in C language. So let me define a string of maximum length 20. So when I declare a string of length 20, everyone should understand that by default, one character is reserved for the null character, and in this particular array called as string, exclusively a character array, can store only 19 items, or sorry, 19 characters, not items. And strlen function takes one input and gives an output. Obviously, you take any function, it has to take something and give something, right? So what is the input of strlen? The input is a string. I am writing a single line comment so that here itself my explanation is there along with the program, right? Because I want to cover more programs, so I am not writing on the command prompt and taking screenshot. In the program itself, you are getting the notes along with the program. What is the input of strlen? The input is a string. Then where to give the input in strlen? Inside the parenthesis. Parenthesis means these brackets. Now, what is the, so input is a string. Input is a string. That means a character array. Input should be a string. That means it should be a character array. Similarly, what is the output? What is the output of strlen? The output is the number of characters in the string excluding \0. What is \0? Null character. The output is a number of characters. That means output is a number. Input is a string and output is an integer. Remember, if you have any doubt now, ask me. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the chat box as of now. It's very simple explanation. strlen is a function predefined inside string.h. It reads, basically it needs a string as an input and it returns output. Okay, it gives the output that is in terms of number of characters. Any doubts you have? Please respond in the chat if you have any doubt. Otherwise, I will continue. Okay. That is the reason the input is a character array and output is an integer. So let me take an integer variable. Let me take for a simple reason, right? That input is a string and output is a integer. So I took two variables. So puts, that means put the string, enter a string. Then we all know that get string is a method to read the string from the standard input device, including the space. Including the space. Now, simple. LEN GTH, length equal to strlen of string. So here you can say length is the outcome of strlen and string is input. I hope everybody understood what I am saying. So obviously the output you have to catch like this. So it is giving the integer value. That's why I'm catching it back in a integer variable. Okay. Now you can say put as puts. 1 minute. I want to tell one small thing. In printf statement, see here, the length of percentage s is percentage d. I can write like this. The first one is a string, second one is a length. In a single line, I can keep my message and the control identifier in a single line, but in PUTS, you cannot do like that. You can say the length of, that's all. Like this you have to write, the length of. You can't write percentage yes and all. Only the message you can write. So for this, in a single line, I want the output. For that reason, I am going to use printf. Because I am going to use printf, I need to include stdio.h. If you want to do the same thing in puts function, then you have to say simply puts string and then puts length in two different lines. You can't club both together. Like the length of percentage s is, like that you can't write in puts function. Okay. That's it. How to find the string length by making use of the predefined function strlen. Is there any doubts in the program? Please let me know now. Okay, let me execute the program now. GCC -o, find the string length from this. Now the executable file is ready. Enter a string. So I will say Nagaraju. The length of Nagaraju is 8. Again, I will give like Dr. Nagaraju Baideti. The length of Dr. Nagaraju Baideti is 19. So this is how a string length is obtained. Here inside the string length, space is considered as one character. The only character that is not considered in the length of the string is \0. It is saved in the memory but not considered to be part of our string. That \0 is only for managing the string internally in the system, right? It is not visible that it is already stored inside. using strlen is a very simple technique. How much of logic is there in the entire program? The only logic is just in line number 17. Other than line number 17, rest of the program is only linking the header file, defining the user defined function main, defining a character string, defining the length of integer, reading the string, then printing the outcome. The only important line in the entire program is only one line, which is available in line number 17. So now I am going to teach you, can I obtain the length of the string without using strlen? See, if you can use only the string library functions, it is only a 5 minutes concept. 1 minute, you will know how to use the function. Then see the next function, you will understand how to use it. So using string library functions is not a big deal for a programmer who is actually learning C programming in the early stages of his programming career. So now I will explain how exactly string len is working in the background. strlen, we are only using it here. We are using strlen and we obtain string length. How exactly strlen is working in the background, now we will see in another program. So let me close the program and then clear the screen. Find string length without strlen. Without strlen.c. So this program, to find the length of the string without using strlen predefined function, then we need to think about the logic here. We need to think about the logic. Okay. So how to think about the logic? Imagine there is a string called as NAGARAJU. So obviously you should understand the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, you will have \0 in index 8. I hope everybody understand what I am saying. Let me write so that you will easily identify. The above characters are string characters and the next numbers are index. So don't get confused. Sir, NAGARAJU is ending with index 7. It is ending with index 7 means because the index starts with 0, the length of the string is, length of NAGARAJU is 8. Everybody knows this, right? Now, how exactly the string length is working in the background, that we will try to see. It is very simple. What is the logic? Logic for finding the string length without strlen. Finding the string length without strlen. That is our target now. Okay, simple. Read the string. Read the string inside a loop. Inside a loop. Why loop? I have to start from index 0. See here. Start from, if you understand this particular concept of loop, rest all programs will become easy. Start from index 0. Okay. And I can say like step 1, read a string. Step 2, start from index 0. Compare each character with null character. I can say \0. Sir, why to compare with null character? Why? Because how the string length is obtained? N. Okay, N is not \0. So 1 character. A, 2 characters. G, 3 characters. Again A, 4 characters. R, 5 characters. A, 6 characters. J, 7 characters. U, 8 characters. Then after that \0 is there. When \0 is there, simply come out of the loop. Now NAGARAJU, I counted the number of characters. So compare each character with \0 and increment the count. Increment the count. Begin the count with 0, no characters, then increment the count. Unless or until the character in the string is not \0. In case if the character is \0, then exit from step 2. Exit from step 2. And after every comparison, increment index. I hope everybody agree with me. That's it. It's only a 2-step procedure. After exiting from the loop, what you have to do? Count is the length of the string. Count is the length of the string. If you have any doubts in this particular logic, let me write the program and then I will come back to the logic again. In case if you are not understanding the logic after I write the program. Now, so obviously, I am giving str ing.h and also stdio.h. Why? Because I want to use printf in the end. So char string 20 int index then in the logic I wrote something called as a count. That does not mean I have to take a variable, extra variable. Okay, without taking any extra variable, with index itself, I am going to print you the length of the string. Let us see. For a logic, I wrote a count, but here I am not taking the count. Only two variables I am taking. Okay, one is the character string, another one is index. PUTS, enter a string. After that, get the string inside the character array string. Now, at line number 9, system will have a string which is entered by the user. After that, what I have to do? That is, step 1 is over. Step 1 is line number 9. Step 1 is line number 9. What is step 2? Start from index 0. Okay. Start from means I can use a for loop, obviously. You can use while loop also. There is nothing wrong. Okay. Start from index 0. So index equal to 0. Compare each character. Each character of what? Each character of the string. So string is entire string. Everybody please observe here. If I say string, that means it is Nagaraju. But if I say string of 0, then it is character N. I hope everybody understood. If I say string of 1, it is character A. Are you able to understand? So how to take an individual character? By mentioning the, so if we mention the index with the string, then individual character is taken. I hope everybody understood. If you have understood this, now check here what I am going to write. Okay, what is our step 2? Start from index 0. I have written in the for loop. Compare each character with the \0. Okay, and the character, in case if it is \0, then exit from the loop. That means string of index, if it is not equal to \0, continue the loop. Listen carefully. Why I am writing not equal to, and what is string of index? Initially index equal to 0. So string of 0. What is string of 0? Capital letter N. Is capital letter N not equal to \0? True. True means index plus plus. False means come out of the loop. False means come out of the loop. Please observe carefully. I am keeping a semicolon here. I am keeping a semicolon. In for loop, you can place a semicolon. You can place a semicolon. What is going to happen when you are keeping semicolon? Semicolon in the for loop means there is no body of the loop. There is no body of the loop. That means simply loop will be inside the line number 10 only. Loop, that means condition is verified and increment of index is done. That's all. If condition is true. Until condition is true. Until the condition is true, until the condition is true, the loop will not come out. Okay, that means over. There is no body of the loop. Semicolon means no body. So even if you are writing like this, even if you are writing 11, 12 and 13, or you write whatever you want, this is all out of the loop only. I already explained this earlier with an example. Okay, so please remember, sometimes we can keep semicolon also. Sometimes we may not keep the semicolon. Both are correct. In this particular program, no need to have a body of the loop. Why? Now, let me write a printf statement. String percentage yes, length is percentage d. Okay, first one is string and second one is index. Second one is index. Okay, maybe it is coinciding with the logic what I wrote, but I hope it is readable line only. Oh, sorry. I hope now everybody is able to read the line what I wrote. String percentage s length is percentage d, string and index. Now let us try to understand before executing the program. Before executing the program, let us try to understand what exactly is happening here. Is this a correct program? Let us see. Okay. Now, imagine the string is NAGARAJU. I may not be good in drawing the proper lines, but I hope everybody understands the main logic. N A G A R A J U. After that, what will be available? Obviously, \0. Obviously, \0. What is this? It is stored in the character array string. Now, let me go to index. Let me write about the index. This is index. Let us start the line number 10. Let us start line number 10. Index equal to 0. Okay. What is the condition? The condition is string of index. What is the current value of index? 0. What is string of 0? String of 0 is n. I hope everybody agrees with me. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you understand this logic, rest all string programs will be very, very easy to understand. So this is the index of string. Okay. What is string? I am trying to explain you the program at line number 10. The initial value is 0. So string of 0 What is string of 0? Character n. N not equal to \0. True. When it is true, because of the semicolon, there is no body of the loop. So index will become plus plus. That means index will be changed to 1. Index will be changed to 1. After index becomes 1, now str of 1 is compared. What is str of 1? Character A. A not equal to \0. True. True means again index plus plus. That means index will become 2. Now, what is str of 2? Character G. Character G not equal to \0. Again, the condition becomes true. When condition becomes true, obviously index will become 3. Similarly, what is str of 3? str of 3 is again character A. I hope everybody understood. After that, R, A, J. Okay. Now imagine I am not coming to the U. Imagine A, R, A, J. Everything is verified. So how it happens? 3 becomes 4. Now 4 becomes 5 because the condition becomes true. 5 becomes 6. Again, condition is true. Then listen carefully. 6 will become 7. When 6 becomes 7, what is the character? U. 6 became 7. When 6 became 7, character became U. N-A-G-A-R-A-J-U. So U is also true. Why? U not equal to \0. Now listen, the final iteration. I am explaining very slowly because this particular loop is the most important loop in all other programs. Now, when index becomes 8, when index becomes 8, that means from here to here, condition became true. But exactly when index becomes 8, condition is false. I can say condition false. Why it is false? Why? Because the character in str of 8 is \0. Condition says \0 not equal to \0 false. So when the loop has come out, what is the value of index? It is 8. That means I am printing string Nagaraju length is the value of index 8. String Nagaraju length is 8. That's all. If you have any doubts now, ask me. I have explained very much in detail. Still, if you need explanation, I will explain once again. Roll number 423. Do you need to explain again? One of the participants asked me privately in the chat to explain again. Roll number 423. Can I explain again or you understood? Roll number 570 is asking why we are using string.h. Roll number 570, did you come yesterday? Roll number 570, did you come yesterday? We already discussed about reading the string by using put string and get string. Okay. I am using string.h because I am using these two functions. Now let me take a screenshot of this and clear the annotations. I hope roll number 423, you understood the program. You didn't respond me. Roll number 423, do I need to explain again or is it clear? No problem. Okay, it's clear for 423. Thank you. Roll number 570, don't worry. I am using string.h for reading the string by making use of the method gets get string. And for printing a message, enter a string, I am using put string, puts. So those strings, those methods are available in string.h. Okay, let me execute the program. Let me take the screenshot. Now clear the annotations. And let us execute the program. GCC -o, my program, executable file, and then the program name. Okay, somewhere I might have written something wrong. That is okay. Let me check it. Oh, there is no void main at all. Oh my God. I am extremely sorry. I forgot to write the main method. Fine. Sometimes it happens. So let me execute let me compile the program and then, yes, now successfully it has come out. And let us execute the program now. Enter a string, Rama. String Rama length is 4. Now let me execute again. Rama space Krishna. Now you see RAMA is 4. Then space 5. KRISHNA 7. So Rama is 4, Krishna is 7. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1 space 12. I hope everybody understood. Any doubts? Can I go ahead with the next program? So I request all the participants to always use your own logic without using the string functions. Unless until it is required, don't use it, because if you keep on using the library functions, you will not understand how to handle strings properly. You will not understand how to access the, something went wrong, I don't know. All of a sudden, I don't know, Zoom meeting is not responding. Srinivas sir.
Sir. Ramakrishna sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, all of a sudden, can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw, sir.
Okay.
Chat responding. Sir,
But not responding. I don't know.
you're the host, sir.
Okay, okay. I don't know why it is not responding. So let me, sir, please. Okay. But don't make me host, because now, if I am exiting,
Okay. Now, sir, please host me, sir.
system Zoom application is hanged.
Please host me, sir. You can join. I can give co-host, sir.
My entire Zoom is stuck, sir. Oh, it came back. Thank you.
Okay, sir. And internet problem,
No.
sir.
No. There is again some problem.
Sir,
There is no internet problem for me, sir, because I am using a
please
10
change
dedicated
please
line.
give me host, sir.
Sir, I am not able to assign you the host because I am not able to access anything on the Zoom now.
Oh. So meeting is not responding. If you close the program, you might lose information. Wait for the program to, sir. Wait, sir. Wait, sir. Wait for the program to respond, sir. Sir, wait for the close the program means sir, please log in, sir. Once again, I will call the Srinivas, sir.
Oh, thank you. So now I don't know. Zoom got stuck. So I came back. I hope now. So I was discussing that don't use just like that string library functions when it is not required. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everybody?
Audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. So let us start another program. Let us start another program. That is copying one string to another string. I will be reading only one string, like string 1, suppose Nagaraju. String 2, I will copy character by character. N, A, G, A. Like that, I will copy character by character. First, I will explain by making use of strcpy. There is one more library function, and then we will go to without using library function also. So npp string copy dot c. Always I will explain first with library function, then I will explain without library function. With library function is not a great concept because we are only using the function name. But writing our own logic without using the strcpy, strlen and other things is a good programming practice always. So to use strcpy function for copying one string to another string, I request all the participants to kindly mute your videos, please. I know you are not doing it intentionally, but kindly mute your videos, please. Thank you. I already shared the screen now. Maybe it may take some time for you to get Sai Pavan. I already shared the screen. Is my screen visible to everybody? Is my screen visible now? Okay. So let us write the program now. String.h, stdio.h, and our method main. Here, string 1, I am taking two strings, string 1 and then string 2. Okay, and then what will be the input of strcpy? What will be the input? Simple. There shall be two inputs to strcpy. Input 1 is the destination string. Input 2 is the source string. Source means, for example, you want to copy string 1 to string 2. So source is string 1, destination is string 2. So how we will write? strcpy input 1 comma input 2. For example, if we need string 1 to be copied to string 2, if we need string 1 to be copied to string 2, we have to say strcpy. First write the destination, string 2 comma string 1. I hope everybody understood the logic of using strcpy. So simple, puts, enter the source string, then read the source string. After that, simple, strcpy destination string comma source string. That's all over. In a single line, the line number 17 is the logic. What is the great deal in it? There is simple. Using the library function has nothing to do with learning so much of programming. Why? Because if you know the name of the function, how to use the function, then it is easy to call the function. Okay. Now printf, you can say the source string is %s string 1. After that, printf, in a new line, the destination string is %s string 2. There is nothing great in using these two printf statements. Okay, the main logic is in line number 17. Why line number 17? Because I wrote so much of explanation here itself to save the time. Okay, that's it. Let me execute the program. GCC -o string copy is the executable file. from the string copy dot. Okay, I missed a comma. That's why it says there is a mistake, right? Okay. In the second printf statement, I missed one comma. So let me execute the, let me compile the program again. And then execute the file. For example, I am going to I hope everybody understood. The source is Swarnandhra College name and the destination also begin. It's very simple. There is nothing great in this, right? So you can also say I hope everybody understood. Same concept can I do without strcpy? That is what we are going to learn now. Now the time is 5:30, 5:31. Take a couple of minutes break and come back. Take a couple of minutes break and come back. I hope there is no doubt in understanding strcpy. If there are any doubts, please post it in the chat box. I will resume the session in a minute. Okay, let us resume the session. We will try to understand string copy without strcpy dot c. Exactly what is happening in strcpy? Character by character, it will copy. It's a very simple example. You take an examination, maybe even myself and everybody, some point of view you might have copied from your friend. How you are going to do? Your eye will read character by character what he is writing, and your brain will store, and we will keep on writing what our friend wrote. Similarly, strcpy also works in the same principle. For example, if the string 1 is R A M A, and then there is a \0. Okay. What are the index? 0 index, 1, 2, or I will do one thing. Just a second. Let me directly draw. It is very easy to understand. Let me take a small string, okay? Let me take a small string and explain how exactly CPY works. Now the string is, for example, Vasu. And \0. This is a string. It is stored in string 1. It is stored in string 1. Imagine I need to copy the particular string 1 into string 2. That is our task. Manually. The task is to copy manually. So imagine we have string 2 also. I may not be good in drawing, so please excuse me for that. What are the index? Index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, and index 4. That is for string 1. Similarly, we will have index for string 2 also. We will have index for string 2 also. Initially, string 2 is empty. Initially, string 2 is empty. Now, what you have to do is start your journey from index 0 and keep on moving till \0. What is this direction? Loop. Loop starts here and loop end here. Loop will start with index 0 and it will end at index 1. Start and end. I hope everybody understand. Now, each and every step, what you have to do? Copy character by character. Copy character by character until unless you get the \0. Okay. So keep this example aside and let me write the program and then explain the program line by line. So what is the program? To copy the string without using strcpy. Copy the string without using strcpy. What is the logic? What is the logic for that? What is the logic? Read string 1. Initially, string 2 is empty. Means you will not read anything. Only string 1. Then start the loop with index 0 of what? Start the loop with index 0. Okay. Compare the character with null character. Same concept what I used in string length. If not null character, copy the string 1 character into string 2 character. Okay. And then increment index. Loop exit point is when string 1 character is null character. That is the concept. Okay. So now let us start writing the program. I might have written a lengthy comments, but that is what is our logic. Okay. Fine. Now hash include stdio.h, then hash include. Hold on guys, if you have any doubts, listen to my program, then you please ask me doubts. As of now, please hold on. I am not yet done. Okay. Now, character array string 1. I am taking simply, I will take only 5 because I want to explain in a easy way. I am taking 5. Okay. String 2 is also 5. You can take any number of characters. Int index for counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Now listen carefully. PUTS, enter the source string and enter the source string. After entering the source string, obviously we have to read it in string 1. After reading string 1, what we have to do? We need to start the loop for index equal to 0, string 1 of index, string 1 index not equal to \0 index plus plus, and there is no semicolon. Don't think every time we have to put semicolon in the string. In the string length program, I just have to count the number of characters. That's why there is no body of the loop. But here, if the character is not \0, we need to copy. There is a task for us inside the body. I hope everybody understand. What is the task? Now, please listen. Please see the annotations now. Imagine index equal to 0. So it starts here. What is string 1 of 0? B. B is not equal to \0. So what I have to do is this particular V should be copied here. I hope you understand. Copy. The arrow means copy. Why we have to copy? Because it is a character which is not, which is not a null character. It is a character, but not a null character. I hope everybody will agree with me. Next, how to copy this? Listen carefully. String 2 of 0. String 2 of 0 is nothing but string 1 of 0. Hope everybody understood what I am saying. That means string 2 of index is equal to string 1 of index. Whatever is available in string 1 in a particular index, I have to copy in the same index value of string 2. Now V will be copied. After that, what will happen? Increment the index. So index will become 1. Index will become 1. So A will be copied because A is not equal to \0. A will be copied. After that, increment the index. Index will become 2. Then yes, S is not equal to \0. So copy the S. Even if it is a space, it will copy the space also because space is a character. After that, index becomes 3. Character U is not \0. So it will copy the character U. And now when index becomes 4, when index becomes 4, what is going to happen? The loop will become false. Sorry, the condition becomes false. Condition false. That means loop will be exited. Loop will be exited when index is exactly 4. When index reaches the value 4, when index reaches the value 4, the loop will exit because string1 of 4 is null character. Who placed, listen carefully, who placed \0 in string 1? System. Who placed it? System. But now when string 2 is formed by copying the character by character from string 1, there is no \0. There is no \0, but it is required to have the \0 at the end of the string. In string 1, I am repeating again. Listen carefully. In string 1, \0 came by default because string 1 is read by using the function getString in line number 18. But string 2 is formed from line number 19, 20, 21, 22. During that logic, \0 is not copied. Why? When the index became 0, condition became, sorry, when index became 4, condition became false, the loop exited. When the loop is exited, the value of index is 4. So after the loop, listen carefully, after the loop, string2 of index, what is index? 4. What is index? 4 is equal to, I am placing it manually. That means line number 23, line number 23 keeps \0. Line number 23 keeps \0. Line 23 keeps \0 in string 2 dot, of index. We know index is 4 when loop is exited. So don't ask me a question now. Sir, why you are writing after the loop string 2 of index equal to \0? Why? Because I explained it very clearly. Okay. If you are following me, you should not get a doubt. So after that, that's it. This is how the logic of copying the string happens in line number 19 to 23. So after that, what we will do? Simple. The source or Directly write source string %s, comma string 1. Then destination string string 2. Destination string 2. I hope everybody understood. Now, if you have any difficulty, please ask me before I execute the program. Is index independent of string? Will it reflect for any string? Index means, see, let me try to explain. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index of string 1. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is index of string 2. But I am using an variable index, and I know exactly the 0 should come here in a 0. 1 should come in 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. That's why I am using. Index is independent of the string, sir. Index is independent to a string. Here I am using a variable index program. Okay. This is a variable, but this is the concept. This is a concept. But this is a variable. Any more doubts? Can I execute the program? Line 23. Ambedkar sir. Just now I told you, sir. Line number 23 is, let me tell again. When you are copying the string initially, character by character, what is our condition? If string 1 of index not equal to \0. Okay, let us start the loop. String 1 of 0, character V, okay, copy. Then character A, copy. Character S, copy. Character U, copy. But when I am coming to \0 in string 1, condition becomes false. When condition becomes false, loop will come out. When loop is coming out, in string 2, Vasu is there, but \0 is not there. That's why I am keeping it manually. Any more doubts, sir? Professor Ambedkar, sir? Professor Ambedkar, sir, is it clear now? That's why, oh my God. That's why I am writing here, when index reaches the value 4, the loop will exit. Who plays \0 in string 1? System. But who has to place \0 in string 2? User. That's why I am writing that line. Voice is breaking. Is my voice audible to all?
Audible,
There might be a problem from the receiving end because I always sit in NIT Nagaland in my cubicle with 10 Gbps line. So from me, there is no problem of internet as of now. Okay, let me clear the annotations and then execute the program. I don't know how many of you are able to enjoy the handling the string session, but I believe I am trying hard so that each and every line of the code you are going to enjoy in understanding. String copy, okay. I wrote a wrong spelling. So let me correct the spelling first. In the without, spelling mistake is there. I renamed the program. Yeah. So GCC minus O string copy without strcpy dot c. Now let me execute the program. Enter the source string. Okay, there is some mistake now. Now it says it didn't come properly. So let me go back and see the program first. Okay, I am extremely sorry. Our string length is only 5. By mistake, I am giving Srinivas our bigger string. I am extremely sorry. The string length is only 5. So now, for your understanding, I wrote 5. So let me change it as bigger one. Okay. Sorry, there is no problem in the code. Directly, I am executing the executable file. Srinivas sir. Right? Okay. I have to recompile. Sorry. I have to recompile because I modified the program. Let me recompile and execute the program again. Now you can see source string is Srinivas sir. Destination string is coming side by side. Why? Because I missed \n. So let me again clear and let me compile again. And then execute it. Now see, we understood how to write the logic of strcpy without using the predefined library function string copy. I am giving 2, 3, 4, 5 some space. Now you see all the spaces are also copied. I hope you understand. Even if I give multiple space, it is copying the multiple space also. I hope everybody can see it clearly. Any more doubts? Shall we see the next program? Shall we see the next program? Okay, next program is comparing two strings. Comparing two strings. How you can compare? Obviously, there will be a string predefined function for that. That is strcmp. So npp string compare dot c. To compare two strings. Now for you to explain instead of writing, I want to save some time. So directly let me go to the class board and explain there itself. Because if I keep on writing the explanation, it may take some time. So let me open my class board. String length, I already explained, and I am going to share these screens with you. So this is the logic. String copy, I explained. String reverse copy. Okay. If time permits, I will explain now. Otherwise, you can also get it from me and you can also understand because each and everything is written here. Now, string comparison. String comparison. In string comparison, what is going to happen? Let us try to understand. I am taking S1 and S2. S1 means string 1, S2 means string 2. Enter first string, enter second string. Now you have to compare. Comparison is done with a function called as strcmp. That's all. strcmp means string compare. Now, that particular string compare, I am keeping in an integer value result. Why I am keeping in result, I will explain now. Okay. Everybody please observe. strcmp is a existing method. If both are equal, see here ABC, ABC, then it will give 0. It will give 0. If first string is bigger, it will give positive value. If second string is bigger, it will give negative value. I hope everybody understood. So, if both are same, strcmp will give 0. That is the reason I am verifying if result equal to 0, the strings are same. Otherwise, strings are not same. That is the by default strcpy method. Any doubts in strcpy method? Please let me know. Now let us start the program using strcmp function or method, right? So for that, let me take the header files that are required and take 2 strings. String 1 of character to maximum 19. So I am giving 20. I am always giving 20. You can give any number. Okay. Then int result. See, I am taking one extra variable always. Sometimes you can directly use it without using the int result. Because I want to explain in a simple manner, I am using the program. So my programs need not be efficient in this workshop because this workshop is not meant for sharpening our C programming skills. The program is meant for removing the fear in our mindset. So I am explaining the simplest way of program so that everybody will understand. Sometimes I may not write the efficient way. I hope you people never mind about it. Enter first string. Then read string 1. Then enter second string. Then read second string. After that, what we have to do? Simple. strcmp. You can write either string 1 first or string 2 next. There is no order here because anyways, we are going to compare both the strings. This will give an integer value, either 0, positive or negative. So catch it in an integer. Then if result is 0, printf percentages and percentage yes are same. The first one is string 1, second one is string 2, or you can change the order, there is no problem in it. Else percentages and percentages are not same, are not same. So I hope everybody, the same program what I wrote in the on the class board, I am rewriting it again. Fine. Any doubts in this? I think there should not be any doubt. Let us execute the program. GCC minus object file string compare executable file from string compare.c. Always remember, first I am writing capital A, B, C, D. Next time I will write small a, B, C, D. Both will say it is not same. It is case sensitive. I hope everybody understand what is case sensitive. You write A, B, C, D, then again A, B, C, D. Both are same. Any more doubts? Now, how can I do without using string compare? How can I do without using string compare? Today, if I may need, because I am always starting 5 minutes late, so I may take additional 10 minutes. Okay. In case if any of the participant is not able to continue, you can always log out. Okay. Maybe I will take till 6:45 because after this program I have to tell one more program minimum, right? Then if you are missing the class, you can see in the YouTube. Let us see. First, let us see till 6:35. Okay. Then let me write a program string compare without strcmp.c. What is happening in string compare? What is happening in string compare? Logic simple. Take the first character of string 1, take the first character of string 2, compare both characters are same or not. If they are same, then go to the next character. Like that, keep on going unless until they are not same. If they are not same, you can come out of the loop. Okay, so let me directly explain the program. Okay, let me write the program and explain. Comparing the strings without using strcmp function. Okay, so start the code, add the header file string.h, then add stdio.h and start the main method. Now, there is no need, listen carefully, there is no need that both the length of the strings are same. I can enter different length strings also. Okay, so in string comparison, suppose first string is ABC, next string is ABCDE. There is no need to compare the character because one is length 3, another one is length 5. When length is not same, there is no need to compare the character by character of string 1 and string 2. Listen, understand this. String 1 of I am giving 20, but what is the guarantee that both the user will enter both the strings of same size? Okay, so I hope everybody understood. Before comparing the character, okay, what is the logic? Compare each character of string 1 with string 2 of same index. You cannot compare index 0 of string 1 with some other index of string 2. Okay, then that is the logic. But before comparing each character, get the length of string 1 and string 2. If length is not equal, then obviously no need to compare character by character. I hope everybody understood what I am saying. For that purpose, let me take the index and length 1 comma length 2. So I can say length 1 means I am going to use it for string 1, and length 2 I am going to use it for string 2. Then first string, enter string 1, read string 1, again enter string 2, then read string 2. After reading both the strings, now listen carefully, you know how to get the string length. Now see my class board. There are two ways. One is simple, by making use of strlen, or I can also use my own for loop. I hope everybody should understand without any doubt. Either you follow your method, or our intention is to not to use strcmp. I can use strlen. If you don't use strlen, that is more better for a programmer in the initial stage. I hope everybody will agree with me. Okay. Sir, why you are using len? See, I can also use index also. I can also use index. Okay. len1 is the index of string 1. len2 is the index of string 2. Like that also I can use. Don't get confused with the variable name index. I am talking about the concept index. Length 1 equal to 0. That means S1 of 0. Each and everything will be compared, and when the loop is terminated, the value of len1 is the length of the string 1. I hope there is no doubt in this. Any doubts, please ask me now. Any doubts in that string length? I hope no doubt. Okay, so let me write. Always when you are comparing something like palindrome number, I hope everybody remember, I used a variable, a variable for the concept of flag. So I am taking a variable like equal to 0. Equal 0 means they are not equal. Equal 1 means strings are equal. Equal is a flag to indicate strings are same or not. Equal, see, I am writing equal. You can write FLAG, you can write any other concept, right? Only a variable name is equal. Okay, equal is 0 means strings are not same. Equal equal 0, or I can say, yeah, let me start writing the program then. So I can use for len1 equal to 0, len1, see, I am just changing the variable, but the string length concept is same. string 1 of length 1 not equal to \0 len1 plus plus and semicolon. So when len variable comes out, automatically the value of len1 is the string length 1. Similarly, I am going to use len2, here also len2 and for string 2. So if len1 is equal to len2, that does not mean strings are same. Only the length is same. Okay. Only the length is same. Else, what is else? len1 and len2 are not equal. So directly, without even comparing, I can say percentages and percentages are not same. Directly, no need to do any comparison. Now, if both the length are same, now see here, index equal to 0, index less than length 1 or length 2. Now try to understand ABC. Character may be different. Capital letter ABC, small letter ABC. But length is 3. Here also length is 3. So directly I can say go from 0, go to 2. 3. The length 3 means 0, 1, 2 in the index. Either you can use length 1 or length 2. Both are same. That's why the condition in 19 became same. If both are same, simply increment. That means I am going into checking character by character. See here, string 1 of index double equal to string 1 of again index. Sorry, string 2 of index. That means I am comparing the characters by character. So it is a condition. So if imagine index is 0 initially, I am comparing string 1 of 0 with string 2 of 0. If both are same, that does not mean string is same. We have to go to the next character. So simply continue. Listen carefully. Now what I am going to tell you, within a minute I will make you understand clearly. See here, capital letter A, BC. This is string 1 and this is string 2. The moment the first character is different, see here, small a and in string 1 is not equal to capital A in string 2, case sensitive. The moment the first character is not same, what is the need of comparing the second character? Are you able to understand what I am saying? The moment a character is not same, that means whether it is a first character, second character, third character, the moment you find a different character, that itself says both are not same. No need to continue the next character comparison. Okay, so what I mean to say, the moment the first character itself are not matching, that means small a is not equal to capital A, there is no need or there is no need to continue the loop, because obviously strings are not same. For that particular reason, please see here, if string 1 not equal to string 1 of index not equal to, okay, listen, I might have done one thing, equal to initial, okay, equal to 0 means that is the initial value, right? Don't sorry for that. 1 minute. Forget about the values of equal. Okay, initially I took equal to 0. Okay, later if one character is not equal, listen carefully, I am making equal to as 1, equal to, instead of equal, let me take the value as flag, value as the variable as flag. Okay, flag 1 means, you can also take flag also, sorry, equal also. Flag 1 means a different character, means a different character is encountered. Initially flag is 0. Initially flag is 0. So unless until if the if condition is not true, the moment a character is not equal, immediately if condition will become true. The moment if condition is true, that means there is no need to continue the comparison. Directly you can say, boss, the characters are missing the match, so I can completely come out of the loop by printing both are not same. Okay, that means, listen carefully, when flag will remain 0 forever, initially flag is 0. When I am making flag as 1, when the characters are not matching, that means if each and every character is matching, flag will remain 0 as it is. Flag will remain 0 as it is. That means, please listen, after the loop, I am still inside the if only. After the loop, verify if flag equal to 0. If a flag is 0, after the loop, that means both the strings are same. That's it. Sir, why you wrote 2 times not same? One is if length is not same, that is written in line number 37. If length is same and a character mismatch happened, then also it is not same. When length is same, but characters never mismatched, then flag will remain same as 0 as the initial value. That is what I am writing the program here. Same program is shown in the, let me take the, let me take the screenshot, and I hope everybody understood the program. If there is any doubt, please ask me. In the meanwhile, I will clear the annotations. Is there any doubt? Can we go to line number 32 directly after character is different? Let me open the program again, sir. Line number 32. Can we go directly? Sir, you can. No, sir, line number 32 is actually inside the true block, sir. See here, I highlighted. Let me clarify by highlighting the code. Sir, this particular code comes under the true block. Comes under the true block. If length is same, see there are two possibilities in the program, sir. One is length is not same. That I am handling in else. But if length is same, but character is not same. I hope it is clear, sir. No, sir. Professor KVS Rao, sir. The line is same, the statement is same, but one is written inside the true if block, if condition is true. Another one is in the false. There are two possibilities, sir. That's why I wrote two different places. It is an easy way of writing program also, right? So that everybody will understand clearly. Okay. Now let us execute the program by okay. By mistake, I forgot to give option O. And then execute the program. This is the last program of the day because I feel that if I start extending the session, I think it won't be good. So I am going to stop here. 2-3 programs are still left out, but let us see if I can write the program and write some code and share with you, or if I can do tomorrow. Tomorrow I am expecting to start the functions topic. So let us see how it goes. As of now, this is the last program of the day because if I keep on explaining more time, so what I will do after executing this, I will open the class board. I will open the class board and I will, it's okay. First, let me execute the program. Sorry, I should not confuse. What I am going to do, exactly I entered capital letter N. Now I will enter small letter n. Now it says both Nagarajus are not same. So let me execute again from the beginning. Nagaraju or yeah, Nagaraju. Length is same, but the first character is not same. So it says both are not same. Now Nagaraju and Nagu, both are not same. Nagaraju, oh sorry for that. I am executing Nagaraju. Yeah. Nagaraju with Nagaraju, first character different. Then again execute the program. Ramu and Ramakrishna. Length is not same. So not same. Then let me execute the program again and type Avinash. Again Avinash. Now you can see both are same. That is how string comparison is done. That is how string comparison is done. So that's it for today's programs. Now the time is 6:30. I still have 5 minutes more, right? On time. Now let me open the, everything is written properly. In the explanation is also given in my class board. The next concept is string concatenation. The next concept is string concatenation. So concatenation and one more is there. So what I will do, so I think I cannot complete in 15 minutes. So it is not fair on the Independence Day also to extend the session. So here it comes, the end of the session now. Over to the host institute. If you have any doubts, please let me know. That's it, guys, from my side today.
Good evening, sir. Thank you,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening to all the participants and students. Once again, happy Independence to all. Sir, today we are explaining the string handling functions using string library functions, and without using the string handling functions, we can execute the string functions, comparisons, and string length. So clearly, I hope all the participants and students clearly understood these concepts. Very important concept in C language. Strings are very, very important. I hope all the participants, any doubts is there before this workshop. Now this workshop, all the students and participants clearly understood this concept. Sir, some of the participants give the feedback now. Now I call to Dr. Mallikarjun sir, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology Associate Professor. Now I can unmute themselves, sir.
Professor Ambedkar, sir, every day I am sharing the screenshot, sir. Every day. So I have, whatever screenshot I am taking, I will share, sir. Don't worry. Yeah, Professor Mallikarjun, sir.
Sir. Nagaraj, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Professor, you can unmute the Professor Mallikarjun Rao, sir, please.
Sir, I will make you host, sir. 1 minute.
No, sir, my phone not working, sir, now.
Oh, okay, okay. So I have to, okay, ask, yeah, Mallikarjun, sir, you are asked to unmute, sir.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, Professor. Yes, Professor.
Yes, sir. Sir, Dr. Nagaraj Vaidati, sir, as the name itself indicates, you are an excellent personality, sir. Sir, I am from Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. First and foremost, sir, I would like to thank the way you teach to the students. The students will extremely become thankful to you throughout their life, because once they become programmer, developer, and becoming a manager level, and even though whatever they become in a company, they will definitely remember you throughout, sir. Because I have attended your first program, sir, DHDV, that is data handling and data visualization using Python. That was amazing, sir. I really shocked. Is this the way the programming needs to be taught to the students? So we usually do, sir, C language, Java programming, and even RDBMS for the students. What we usually teach is we start with the instruction set. This is how the data can be taken. This is how the inputting. This is how it is outputted, and this is how the memory management, how the analysis should be done. And more and over will say that you should become a very good programmer. You need to write the programs in such a way that any point of time anybody asks any kind of program or any simple way the task is given, immediately you should be able to write the program, we say,
Yes,
because
sir.
we practice the coding in that way, sir, and we tell the students to do the same way. But the way of saying it is very different from your side when I saw. Because, sir, first and foremost, as the name itself indicates, you said the logic should be given to the students so that they are able to write the program. Think of writing a C program using the logical ability. So I really liked your programming style, sir. The way you
Thank you,
teach,
sir. Thank you,
and
Professor.
every way, sir. Yes, sir. And whenever you say, sir, you always say you simple stuffs like you declare a string one and string two, and you say this is the size and this is the way how it is declaration done. Immediately after that, you will put a word. Have you understood? If you have any doubts, you put it over here. See, you utilize the time effectively in such a way that even you complete the things within the schedule, because enormously doing so many programs doesn't make any sense for us, sir. Only thing is, one or two programs, if you know, you are able to convey the information for any sort of program. Now you see, sir, for multiplication of matrices, multiplication of matrices can be done easily if you know the logic how to write the addition of two matrices. So
That's correct.
the way you taught is amazing, sir. I really feel happy. I'm looking forward for looking into the functions, how you teach, pass by value, call by reference, all those stuffs, call by
More,
value, call by
it will be
reference.
more interesting, sir, from
That's
tomorrow,
what,
day
sir.
after tomorrow onwards,
Yes,
because
sir.
yes, sir. Thank you,
Yeah, sir.
Professor.
I am really happy to look forward, sir. Pointers, structures, unions, some basics of data structures. And even though, sir, I didn't ask even single question in this duration because, sir, many things we know how to teach is the major importance I was concentrating. And I was just looking at your way how it is done. And I really thank the Swarnandhra College, sir, College of Engineering and Technology. They have chosen such an amazing personality to deliver the knowledge to their students as well as the outsiders like us. And I'm really thankful to the principal, Dr. S. Suresh Kumar, and HOD CSC department, Dr. P. Srinivaslu, and even the convener, Vamsi Krishna sir, and co-conveners, Ramakrishna Srinivas Rao sir. Really amazing, sir. Dr. B. Ramakrishna is so amazing. Whenever I call him, sir, to know, sir, can I register for this? He usually, sir, even though it is for students, anyone can enter. You can easily come through. So I'm really thankful to him also, sir, because knowledge shared is knowledge doubled. I'm really happy and I'm really thankful to you, sir. Again,
Thank you, sir.
I'm very much thankful to Nagaraj, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You are giving valuable feedback, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank you,
some of
sir.
the students are waiting for giving feedback, sir. Now I call to Hanif, Sheikh Hanif.
1 minute, sir. I have to unmute him, na? Hanif.
Already unmute, sir. I unmute,
Oh,
sir.
unmuted. Yeah.
Hanif.
Mr. Hanif.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
This is Hani from CSA, sir. Hello. Sir, am I
Yes.
audible?
Yeah, you
Audible.
are audible.
Yes, sir. First of all, I like to thank Dr. Ramesh Babu, sir, Kirti Kumar, sir, Suresh Kumar, sir, and all conveners and co-conveners and CSE department for providing this opportunity. In my opinion, it is a good opportunity for the students who think they are weak at C and want to learn C. Sir, I personally like the way of teaching of Dr. Nagaraj, sir, and his intention of give more knowledge in the given time rather than any time pass. To be more honest, sir, I will be more happy if files are also included. Sir, but it still is a good training program for us. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your efforts for giving us knowledge. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hanif.
In this short period, there are so many other concepts, right? But in this, see, it is not short also. 16 days online program itself, I think in India, nobody might have been conducting such kind of workshop other than Swarnandhra College of Engineering and Technology Autonomous. And I should thank, I don't know how many of you know this, Professor Vamsi Krishna sir is my friend from last 17 years. We both studied in Andhra University in BTech and when he was doing MCA, and then we both are classmates in our MTech in the year 2006-2008. And I like Professor Ramakrishna sir also because the way he is also taking pain to create. I am giving all the screenshots to you. In the WhatsApp, it is coming in a jumbled fashion. Then I am actually having a sequence numbers. I am creating a zip file and sending to Ramakrishna sir. He is preparing the material also. He is such an amazing person also, right? I am really happy that Swarnandhra College has given me this wonderful opportunity. And without Swarnandhra College and without the participants, it is not possible to conduct such a program. You people are also patient enough to come for 16 days program. And Mr. Hanif,
Yes,
file
sir.
management also can be included, but then it will go to 20 days. Okay. So maybe
Okay, sir.
in some other time, if time permits, we will see later on.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Hanif.
Hmm.
Now I
Thank
call
you.
to Deepti. Deepti.
Good afternoon, Nagaraju sir.
Good afternoon, Deepti Garu.
Happy Independence Day, sir. First
Thank
of
you,
all,
sir.
I would like to thank my Swarnandhra College of Engineering and Technology for providing a wonderful workshop. I am very thankful to you, Nagaraju sir. I would like to listen more sessions, sir. The workshop is very useful to us. The way you clarifying the doubts of students, the way you teaching is very good, sir. I'm very thankful to you, sir, for sharing such a knowledge. We're learning new things. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Deepti. Thank you.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, Ramakrishna sir. Thank you, Vamsi Krishna sir and Srinivas Rao sir.
Ramakrishna sir. Is there anyone else who want to share the feedback? Ramakrishna sir.
Sir, Nagaraj sir.
Yes, sir. Srinivas sir.
Sir, fine, sir.
Can we close the session, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
all. See you
Thank you.
tomorrow and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Jai
Sir,
Hind.
sir, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Sir, Nagaraj, sir.
సార్ వెళ్ళిపోయారు సార్.
Okay, okay. Vaishnavi,
Sir, చెప్పండి sir.
tomorrow we can give the feedback. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.